Hello everybody, so today I will talk about trigonometry. The topic today is about we need to prove about this one. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to concentrate on the left. Now we do common denominator. This one should be about cosx. This one should be about sinx. Now, this one we have cosx plus cosx square. This one we need to change by sinx cosx minus sinx square. Now we need to combine two fractions in here. This one minus this one. This one we know that should be about number 1. The next one, 1 over sin x, we have cosecant of x. 1 over cosine x, we have secant of x. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.